What's up, guys? So in today's episode of Rice or Nice, we have this. It's not a steering wheel cover. It's like padding. I don't know, but it's like carbon fiber. Obviously, it's probably not real because it's plastic in the bottom and it's just a cover. And actually looks nice. I wasn't expecting it to actually. I mean, it doesn't look bad. So it feels nice. Feels like a little bit softer than the steering wheel. And then basically you just put it on like this, like that. And I actually like it, to be honest. I wasn't expecting it to look like that. So I actually also have as well the emblem, but I actually like how it looks like this with the chrome. I have the emblem and I have the ones that go right here too. I have these carbon fiber. I have the emblem carbon fiber, but I think if I do the carbon fiber emblem, it's gonna look rice. So, but that's obviously gonna be in another video. So right now it's mostly like I wanted to show you just this right here. But yeah, it looks nice. This will fit any car, any steering wheel. I guess another configuration would be, hold on, let me take it off. So another configuration would be maybe like this. No, that doesn't look good. Yeah, no. So to install it correctly though, it's gonna come with this, and this is like an adhesive part, and you're gonna stick that in there. I'm gonna do that right now. Okay, so you just put it in like this. It's basically padding inside. You want to put the padding on the inside so that I guess it grips with this, and that's about it. Then you just put it over. You center it however you want to. I'm gonna do it like right here. Let's see, right there. Yep. Like that. I think that's perfect. It doesn't move. It seems like it really stays on there. Let me do the other one. All right, so I got both. I do like the feel of them. It's like I said, it feels a little bit soft. But yeah, that's it. So it's up to you if it's rice or nice. I'll do the emblems on another video, the next one, so stay tuned for that. Like I said, this is I guess I'm gonna call it universal. Alright guys, thanks for watching.